Let me show you how to remove staples safely and what not to do. This is a staple remover and using it correctly matters. Your goal is to center the remover under the staple. These two prongs must rest flat against the patient's skin. This top piece stays up, facing away from the skin. If you're positioned wrong, you can push the staple in, causing unnecessary pain and tissue trauma. To remove a staple correctly, make sure the top piece is facing up. Slide the two prongs under the staple so they're touching the patient's skin. Then squeeze the handle. This bends the staple outward and releases it from the skin. Let's do it one more time. Prongs on the skin, under the staple, squeeze and release. Now let me show you what happens when the remover is positioned the wrong way. When the top piece is underneath the staple gets pushed further into the skin. That causes pain and tissue trauma. Now I'll reposition it correctly and remove it the right way.